going to look at our cat-cow. We're going to come onto all fours with your index finger, so your pointer finger, vertically up your mat. So it will look like your hands are slightly turned out. Now from here, take about 65% of the weight back into your legs because they're a lot stronger than your arms. And you're just going to let your shoulder blades sag together. And I want you to press down into the floor, allowing your shoulder blades to come apart. And we're going to do that a couple of times. So this is to just prep your arms for a little bit of weight bearing. And can you see if you can isolate that just to your shoulder blades? So your back isn't flexing, it's not extending, it's literally just your shoulder blades wrapping around your rib cage. So next time you're going to pause when you've really pushed the floor away, and we're going to focus on this movement. So we're going to start by arching ourselves. So imagine your tailbone, and it's going to tuck between your legs just like it did in your pelvic clock as you start to push the ground away even more to come up into an arch. And then if you relax your bottom, allow this movement to start right from your tail, you're going to start to unfold and come the other way. So we're going to keep going. So imagine that it's like your sit bones are trying to find the back of your legs. We're pushing down into our arms to really create this curve. And then delay everything. Really open through your sit bones. Allow that to trickle up through your spine. And most importantly, really stand into your hands because we want to imagine we're coming up and through your arms. Keep going. So see if you can keep the weight still about that 65% in our legs. So we're not being tempted to roll forwards, but we're really trying to open up that lower back. And so consequently our hips are staying above our knees. Now, when you do this, you really want to try not to lead from your mid-back. It shouldn't look like this, okay? So see if your head can stay with your spine. Almost if you've got, quite nice extension, then you should be looking towards the top end of your mat. And then almost when you go into your arch, you'll be looking right towards your pubic bone. Great. And then see if you can find some middle ground. So this is where we then work from.